Ciao, I'm Chiara from perfiloesegno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful poncho. This super easy crochet project is perfect for any beginners that are new to crocheting. For this project I use 2 skeins of Dolomiti from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. And I will use a 7mm hook. I use this Ergonomics series from Prim. Okay, now we're going to create this long rectangle and we will use the granny stitch. I'm a really fan of this yarn because I love how the colors changes go. So first I want to explain this beautiful partner, this super easy partner, the granny stitch. So now we are going to create a little sample. The granny stitch needs to be in multiple of 3 plus 2. So now for this little sample, chain 20. Okay, now we do 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from hook. Now we skip the next 2 chains, then we do a group of 3 double crochet all into the 3rd one. So now we skip the next 2 chains. Then we do another group of 3 double crochet into the next one. Skip the next 2 chains, then we do another group and continue to do this until the end of this row. So now we skip the next 2 chains, then we do 1 double crochet into the next one, then we do another 1 double crochet into the last one. And this is the first row of the partner. So now chain 3, and remember this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the work. Now we move directly into this space where we do another group of 3 double crochet. And now it's very easy because we are going to work another group into each space between the groups of the previous row. So we jump directly into the next space where we do another group of 3 double crochet. And continue to do this until the end of this row. Now we do another group of 3 double crochet into this last space. Then we do 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain to complete the 2nd row of the partner. And now, of course, we are going to repeat this set of 2 rows. So now let's repeat together one more time. So first chain 3, remember this count as your first double crochet, then turn the work. And now we do 1 double crochet here in this space, then we jump directly after the first group of the previous row, where we do another group of 3 double crochet, and we continue to do a group of 3 double crochet into each space down the row. So now to complete the first row of the pattern, we do 1 double crochet into this space here, then we do 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain. So now we are ready to repeat the second row of the pattern. So first chain 3, and remember this count as your first double crochet, then turn the work, then we move directly into this space here where we do another group of 3 double crochet. And we continue to do a group of 3 double crochet into each space as we did before. And now we do 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain to complete the second row of the pattern. So all we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rows until we will reach the desired length. So to create this long rectangle, start with 53 chains. Remember the multiple of 3 plus 2. Then repeat the 2 rows of the pattern for a total of 109 rows, or until you will reach the length about 160 centimeters. So now my rectangle is about 48 centimeters wide and 160 centimeters long. So now we are ready to cut the yarn, and I suggest to leave a long tail because we will use it to sew the neck part. Because now we are going to fold enough the rectangle like this, then we leave an open part for the neck. I leave this part for the neck, and this part, this open part, is about 27-28 centimeters. And now we are ready to sew this part using a long tail, to sew this long line here. And pay attention, we sew only this side of the rectangle and leave this open space. So I suggest you placing some craft clips to hold the work tightly and keep everything in place, and sewing will be easier. And of course, we weave the tails inside the garment. So now turn the poncho inside out, and now our project is done and ready to wear. This is a fantastic poncho for women and little girls. This is made in a brilliant seasonal colors that's perfect for cold days. This project is a great gift for yourself, your daughters, as well as for friends and family members. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Poncho Dolomiti. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!